54 species in genus Crossandra. August 4th. Crossandra. Crossandra, the firecracker flower, represents August 4th. Crossandra symbolizes enthusiasm and vitality. You exude energy and inspire others with your spirited personality. Like its vibrant blooms, you light up every room you enter. Crossandra, a floral fascination. My name is Vu, and I've always been drawn to the vibrant hues and intricate forms of the natural world. Among the many botanical beauties that capture my attention, the genus Crossandra holds a special place in my heart. These flowering plants, belonging to the Acanthaceae family, are native to tropical regions of Africa, Madagascar, Arabia, and the Indian subcontinent. With their striking colors and unique floral structures, they bring a touch of the exotic to any garden or indoor space. Diverse species. The Crossandra genus boasts a remarkable diversity, encompassing over 50 recognized species. Each species presents its own distinct charm, showcasing a variety of colors, shapes, and sizes. Crossandra infundibuliformis, perhaps the most popular species, commonly known as firecracker flower. It features vibrant orange or salmon-colored blossoms that resemble small flames. Plant FAQs. Crossandra orange marmalade. Crossandra infundibuliformis. Crossandra pungens. This species is characterized by its spiky leaves and delicate, pale lilac flowers. Crossandra nilotica. Native to East Africa, this species displays stunning blue to purple flowers, a rare color within the genus. See full list at monsteraholic.com. A closer look. The name Crossandra originates from the Greek words krossos, meaning fringe, and andros, meaning man, referring to the fringed appearance of the male stamens in many species. The flowers themselves are typically arranged in a spike or raceme, with each individual bloom exhibiting a tubular shape that flares open into 5 lobes. This distinctive structure, often likened to a trumpet or funnel, adds to the visual allure of these plants. Beyond their ornamental value, Crossandra species also play a role in traditional medicine and cultural practices in some regions. For instance, certain species are used in herbal remedies for various ailments, while others hold symbolic significance in local customs and ceremonies. Cultivating beauty. Many Crossandra species, particularly C. infundibuliformis, are cultivated as ornamental plants in gardens and homes around the world. Their vibrant flowers and relatively easy care requirements make them a popular choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. These plants thrive in warm, humid environments with well-drained soil and ample sunlight. With proper care, they can bloom profusely for several months, bringing a continuous display of color to their surroundings. Whether adorning a tropical garden or brightening up a windowsill, Crossandra species bring a touch of exotic beauty to any setting. Their diverse forms and vibrant colors are a testament to the rich biodiversity of our planet, reminding us of the endless wonders that nature has to offer. I am continually captivated by the allure of Crossandra plants. Their vibrant flowers and unique structures never cease to amaze me. As I continue to explore the botanical world, I am certain that this genus will remain a favorite, inspiring me with its beauty and resilience.